Beep. Bob. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County in the Panhandle of Florida, Bay County in the Panhandle of Florida, southern Walton County in the Panhandle of Florida, Washington County in the Panhandle of Florida, until 900 AM Central Standard Time. At 733 AM Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Santa Rosa Beach to 16 miles southeast of Destin to 28 miles southeast of Cinco Bayou, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Panama City Beach, Callaway, Vernon, Santa Rosa Beach, Springfield, Highland Park, Tyndall Air Force Base, Eglin Air Force Base, Bradford, Live Oak, Parker, Freeport, Alfred, Wausau, Ebro, Dorrego Park, College Station, and Gulf Resort Beach. Precautionary/preparedness actions: remain alert for possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 900 AM Central Standard Time for the Panhandle of Florida. & tornado. Possible hail threat. Radar indicated max hail size 0.75 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.